1969 Ford Falcon Inline 6. Really beautiful blue. Really nice car. Just been painted. The painter brought it over here. He's doing it for his customer. So he said, I know the exhaust shop for you. Just bring it to me. And that's what he did. So he wanted duals. So guess what? We did duals. Wide pipe duals because it's an inline 6. Into FLOWMASTER Super 10s. There and there. And then 2-inch pipe all the way back right there into turn downs. And all the way to the front into FLOWMASTER Super 10s. Look at that, guys. That looks really nice, really clean. Hope you guys give it a little bit of gas. Oh yeah. See the 10s, the FLOWMASTER 10s. Those FLOWMASTER 10s sound really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now you can hear. Hell yeah, brother. Again, give it a little bit more gas. There's sound decibels on it. Again. It's 102. It sounds really good. Go ahead and back it out. Oh man. Does it have a cam or anything? Motor's built a little bit. He doesn't know what's been done to the motor. Oh, it sounds so good. Again? Ford Falcon. Really beautiful paint job on it too. Alright guys, hope you guys like it. Ford Falcon, baby. That's so nice. It came out sounding really good. That's a V6 too, but it sounds like that. That sounds so good. Hope you guys like it.